Considering what happened in Russia over the weekend with the attempted coup by mercenaries, which lasted less than 24 hours, markets were feeling pretty chill today. Oil prices barely rose despite concerns about political instability in Russia, which is a major oil producer. And gold prices were pretty steady as investors didn't feel panicked enough to drive up safe haven assets. But the price of Bitcoin, which some have called digital gold, surged to its highest level in a year on speculation and hope about its mainstream acceptance someday. But at around $30,000, it's still far, far away from its previous record high. Now, the good old-fashioned Australian share market fell by around 0.3% today and is now sitting close to a 3-month low. The best performing stock was Metcash after the IGA supplier reported a solid rise in supermarket sales and profit. Qantas, meanwhile, fell sharply after the airline said it's holding over $400 million in unused flight credits and claims it now wants to make it easier for customers to claim them. Overseas, Wall Street suffered its biggest weekly loss since March, while Asian markets are looking pretty red today. In currencies, the Aussie dollar is buying about 66.7 US cents, though it has fallen pretty sharply over the past week, partly due to a stronger US greenback and weaker than expected stimulus in China. Looking forward, how the Aussie dollar performs will depend on what the Reserve Bank does next week. And markets say there's a 36% chance of another rate increase. And that's finance.